Hello you all, I hope you're doing fine. I'm going to show you this gorgeous FancyPants collection, Every Lane collection kit. And you'll have to know it's sponsored since I am in their design team for this year. So it's sponsored, so here we go. And I will link it down in the description box, of course. And you already can see the gorgeous colors of this collection. It's bright, it's pastel, it's everything. I love it. This kit is included with 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock papers, 2 each of 6 designs, 12 by 12 stickers. Now it's morning. 12 by 12 sticker sheets and 75 pieces of ephemera. So here we go. I'm going to show you everything I have got from this collection, and I'm going to start with this one. So you already can see the vibe of the beautiful collection, and this is foam sticker sheets. Here you go. Look, those colors, isn't it gorgeous? I really love it. I already went a little bit crafting with it, and then I thought, oh, I have to record a video. So yeah, I stopped crafting and get recording because I was a little bit forgotten about it, but I really love the different type of typography, the snail, the Eiffel Tower. So yeah, it's diverse and I love it. All those gorgeous flowers. Look how beautiful. I really like it. Yeah, this will be gorgeous. Then there's also, and I also want to share this one right now because oh, so beautiful, this 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Look how gorgeous. It's vintage. It's beautiful. This snail is my favorite, and this orange, beautiful. So gorgeous. And if I am not mistaken, this is a place in Turkey, but I'm not sure. But I've seen it multiple times. But yeah, you can see how gorgeous, how wow everything is. Beautiful. So let's get back to some ephemera pieces, to the stickers. We've got a sticker book, 64 stickers. Now we'll get them out so I can show you. Perfect for scrapbooking, of course, but also for your journal, or how you can think about it, what you want to do. But look, it's the same diversity. It's beautiful. Then we've got those stickers with letters, gorgeous. And I will get one out of it because you can see how it is. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful font. Look, isn't it gorgeous? I really like this original typewriter font. So you've got this one. Then we've got this one. Some stamp stickers. Beautiful. Oh, this octopus. Really pretty. And I'm making some cup of teas with this collection, but I'm also planning to make a folder with it. So here we go, all kind of beautiful sentiments. And again, so beautiful, those colors from pink or purple to orange. Beautiful fade, love it. And then we've got the last one. Gorgeous. Then I want to show you the paper, and this is already I just used one set of paper because I can show you what I'm making. This cup of tea, gorgeous. It's the Coco Merino dye, but yeah, I already have used the paper. But look, isn't it beautiful? The soft pastel, the warm colors in it. It's just so pretty. I love it. Beautiful balloons. Yeah, we've got my favorite snail, and this one you can see it's purple Shakespeare, gorgeous. You can see it's so diverse, and that's something I really love. Then we've got this beautiful peach page. Look, gorgeous. really festive, really warm, love it. And since I already have used this one, I'm going to turn this page, but look at this green one, beautiful. Green is one of my favorite colors, so yes, I'm getting really happy with this one. Beautiful. Then we've got some really icy blue paper. But look, that's so much fun. So different. I really like it. It's stretching your creativity, and that's what I really love. And also this one, look at this one. Beautiful colors, the green, the blue. It's so perfect together. Love, love, love it. Then we've got, well, the Eiffel Tower again. Some bluish, purple. It really reminds me of this era, so I really understand why they are using this one. But yeah, it's really gorgeous. Beautiful. Celebrating. Love it. Beautiful. I think it's the Atlas butterfly, but I'm not sure if it is, but it seems like. Then we've got some candy going on here. Look. Beautiful. It really pops up from the screen. Also really pretty for Christmas, of course. There we've got those flowers, not sure how to call them in English. Yeah. Some biscuits. Well, they are not called biscuits, but look, beautiful again. Warm pink, orange, peach. Beautiful. Well, what do you think so far of this collection? Isn't it great? Beautiful yellow. I really think those combinations are just perfect. Well, another one, look, so beautiful. It's so warm. Oh, this fish. Something to drink. Gorgeous. Just beautiful pieces, cut apart pieces. Yeah, you can do everything with it. Love it. And there we've got this one, if I have to turn it around, because yellow, beautiful. I think when I'm going to use this one, I would add some lemons to it, because yeah, yellow and lemons. But yeah, really great. Beautiful German Volkswagen bus. So yeah, I really love the paper. It's so different, it's so unique, and that's what I really love about FancyPants. But we have more to show you. So I already show you the stickers, those foam stickers, the sticker book. We've got some enamel stickers, of course. Gorgeous colors, always perfect to add on your project. Then we've got two other ones. This is so much fun, I'm going to show you those. Look, this is the bag. And I think it's also for maybe you can make rosettes with it and you can use it on top. So I'm going to try with it what I'm going to do. Because look, this is so much fun. It's already open, so that's why I'm using it like this. But here we go. I've got my little tray so I can show you. Look, beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous color. Well, there is a lot to see. Look. So much fun. Smaller one. Oh, and I'm thinking, because I'm working with my cup of tea, maybe. Ah, it's in, how they say? I don't know, a coaster. What's a coaster, I think. Oh, that's so much fun. That I would not match it with this color, but oh, that's so pretty. That's the well. It just pops up. But I was thinking, when you're having rosettes, and let me see in my craft room, because I'm in my craft room, of course, I will get a rosette. It's just not a paper, but it was just because I thought it would be so great if you can layer it on your rosette. Well, not this combination, not this rosette, but oh, That's so cool. That's something I'm going to work out. Well, you can see there is a lot of colors, a lot of different prints. Smaller one, bigger ones, blue, white, squared ones, also fun. This one, I love it. Beautiful blue. Maybe it's hard to see on camera. Ooh, lovely pink. Really great with my cup. I will get it aside. This one is also really fun. Oh, my brain is working. This would also be fun. And then I will make some cookies over here, so it's like a little tray. So much fun. Okay, yes, that's how my brain is working. Blue, green, look, all diversity. Ooh, lovely. Love it all. And this one, purple. I love purple. And purple is not a color you see all the time. So yeah, I really love that they have used it in this collection, because purple is a color hated and loved by season, because sometimes you don't see purple in the stores, for example, and then it's a big hit. So yeah, and now you don't see it in the Netherlands. So yeah, I'm really happy they've used it. And now we've got the ephemera, of course, 90 pieces. Here we go. And I will get them out and I will show you them. Now let me know in the comments what you think of this collection and what would you make with it. Please let me share your thoughts with me. Maybe I can make something after you have given me some information, or not information is the wrong word, but look, this is gorgeous. Beautiful flower. Here we go. It's the same one as we had before. Then we've got the stickets. Beautiful color. Fabulous. I really love the radiant. Beautiful. A ticket, of course, always pretty. Another one. What else do we've got? This leaf. Beautiful flowers. Oh, just lovely. My husband is walking in the background if you're hearing something. Love, love, love. Oh, love this collection. Look. Beautiful jar with fishes. Love it. The Eiffel Tower again. It's been a long time since I've been to the Eiffel Tower, but oh, it's a really beautiful place. Gorgeous. Well, you can see this. I know someone who will love this piece. Oh, I always like those. So much fun. Another one with the camera. Stamp, first class. Well, it's a lot to be shown. But yeah, it's worth it because it's beautiful. Today is the day. Well, it is, because I'm getting crafty. Gorgeous flower. And here my favorite snail. Love it. Beautiful. And this is something from the ocean, I think. So I really love that they have combined so many different styles. Beautiful. Another fish. And you can see there are a lot of little heart pieces. Gorgeous cactus. Well, there is a lot to see. I feel it's for autumn, but you can easily use it all year because it's a lot. Not sure what it is. So if anyone can tell me. Strawberry when they are too long in your garden. Beautiful. The best day ever. Well, I hope you have a lot of those. Hey darling, go for it. But yeah, you can see it's a lot. If you're still here with me, thank you for watching. Oh, I almost am there. Totally amazing. Some more strawberry fields kind of feeling. Beautiful. So yeah, and those are all little cut apart. Some more strawberries and a lot of little heart shapes. Totally amazing. So well, isn't it a coincidence? I can quit, or I can say this collection is totally amazing. It's so diverse. It's really, really pretty. Please let me know what you think of it and what you will do with it. Or if you have some ideas for me to create, let me know and maybe I can do it. Thank you for watching, and I will link everything down below in the description box. Bye bye.